Hello guys, I want to show you the basic workings of a program I use every single day. It's a program I've been using since 1998, and without it I probably wouldn't use the computer much because it's just really made my life easier. It's given me back my independence. It's called Dragon Naturally Speaking, version 13 I'm using at the moment, and it's a speech-to-text program, voice recognition. It enables you to talk to your computer and write, and it is very good indeed. Now, there are lots and lots of things you can do with this particular program. I'm not going to be talking about anything but writing and dictating in this video, because if I was to try and show you everything, we'll be here all day. So let's get down to it. At the moment, I've got DragonPad open. It's a document, a bit like WordPad, but it's the one that comes with Dragon Naturally Speaking. When you want to dictate, you just say Open DragonPad, and then your WordPad will open up. Like I said, it looks very much like WordPad, but obviously it doesn't have all spell check because you use your program for all that, so it's very basic. It still has the open, save all business, and you can still print and copy, paste, whatever. It has all that. You can see these across there, but apart from that, it doesn't have anything else because you are controlling everything with your speech. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate this by reading a few paragraphs, two or three paragraphs of Goldilocks and the Three Bears, and I want to show you just how accurate this is. Now, I've got the program open. You have to open the program, and I have it docked at the moment. I have the microphones asleep, which means I can talk without sending the computer into a frenzy, which will happen if you try and talk with the microphone open. So the microphone's open. I'm going to open it, and then I'm going to say go to sleep. That puts the microphone to sleep, which means I can talk. So I'll open it, go to sleep. Right, I put the microphone to sleep now, so I can still talk. When I want to dictate, I will say, wake up, go to sleep. Microphone's back asleep now. Obviously, if you're dictating, you don't want to start having a conversation with someone next to you, because you'll just make a complete mess. So if you're dictating to the computer, someone walks into the room and asks you a question, you always put the microphone to sleep, and then you can have your conversation. Right, here we go. I'm going to demonstrate this now so you can see how good it is. It may make the odd mistake, but I'll show you how to correct that. Wake up. The story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Cap that. New paragraph. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Goldilocks, full stop. She went for a walk in the forest, full stop. Pretty soon, she came across a house, full stop. She knocked and, when nobody answered, she walked right in, full stop. Go to sleep. Right, let's have a look at that. Let's see if it made any mistakes. Right, there you go. Not one single mistake. Not one single mistake it made in that paragraph. Let's read another paragraph. Wake up. New paragraph. At the table in the kitchen, there were 3 bowls of porridge, full stop. Goldilocks was hungry, full stop. She tasted the porridge from the first bowl, full stop. Open quote. This porridge is too hot, exclamation mark, close quote. She exclaimed, full stop. New paragraph. So, she tasted the porridge from the second bowl, full stop. Open quote. This porridge is too cold, close quote, she said. New paragraph. So, she tasted the last bowl of porridge, full stop. New paragraph. Open quote. Ah, this porridge is just right, close quote. she said happily, and she ate it all up. Full stop. Go to sleep. Right, let's have a look at that, shall we? Let's see if it made any mistakes. This part, she exclaimed. Exclaimed. So she tasted the porridge from the first bowl. Now she tasted right. This porridge is just right. So there you go. Not a single mistake. Not a single mistake. Now you can see I've just made a mistake there. I said go to sleep, but it didn't do it. So as you can see, I'm talking now, and it's putting down exactly what I'm saying. Not really what you want. Go to sleep. Right, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to get rid of all that without having to use your keyboard. So I'm going to remove all the text that I don't want on my document. Wake up, scratch that, 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 go to sleep. There you go. So that's all you do. If you want to get rid of something, you say scratch that. So there you go. That's Dragon Naturally Speaking for you. Not one single mistake. You have got to speak clearly, and obviously I was reading that, so I was able to keep it fairly fluent. If you start mumbling words, if you don't say words properly, it probably won't work that well. Obviously, you have to say the word you want. You know, Dragon isn't that clever that it can fill in words that you haven't said. So that you can't use abbreviations or things like that. You know, use the full word, and you should be okay to go. Okay, we'll probably come back and we'll do another video and we'll show you how to correct a few words and whatnot. Maybe get a little bit more in depth, but I just wanted to show you just how brilliant this program is. And as you can see by what I've just done, it was 100% correct. It didn't make a single mistake. Okay guys, take care and we'll see you again soon. Cheerio.